Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious burger. First, let's prepare our patties. Gently mix 1 pound of ground beef with your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Form the mixture into 4 equally sized patties, ensuring each is about 3/4 of an inch thick. Don't forget to press a small dimple in the center of each patty to prevent it from bulging while cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat your pan or grill to medium-high. Place the patties down and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for a medium doneness. While the patties cook, lightly toast your burger buns. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of cheese on each patty to melt perfectly. This adds a wonderful creamy texture. It's time for the exciting part, building your burger. Start by spreading your preferred sauce, perhaps a special burger sauce or mayonnaise, on both the top and bottom halves of your toasted bun. Carefully place the cheesy patty onto the bottom bun. Then, layer on your fresh toppings such as crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced onion. Almost there. Gently place the top bun onto your assembled burger, completing your masterpiece. Your delicious homemade burger is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, like crispy fries or a fresh salad. Take a moment to savor the flavors of your perfectly crafted meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.